Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, April 6th. Time is 8:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And not in the trade just yet. Here's what happened. No, just kind of overnight. Aftermarket close yesterday. This big channel. And then looks like, it kind of looks like the Asian session, I believe. Going into London session, we started pushing up, I guess doing its correction from yesterday, from that big drop. And right now we are testing, well, I did test anyway, it's sitting amongst value area. So we got an eye zone here. And at this moment, just not too much going on. We had this big spike up, which is looks to be set up as a reversal sequence. Volume's just not there though. So as far as, I take that back. That is a 4. That is a reversal sequence. Okay. I still wouldn't have been able to get this entry correct though, being that it didn't happen the way I wanted to, per my trading plan, particularly during pre-market. So we'll actually see what happens here. If it comes back and tests it again, then I may actually look to short it. Let's see where we at on RSI. RSI was over bought, and now I think it's actually due for a pullback. Just kind of looking at that picture. The 1440 chart. All right, it's banging up against the 50-day. I mean, not 50-day. The 50% fib line. So historically, it's not very strong and reliable anyway. But we'll kind of see what happens here. So once you get up to around the 61.8, so 38.2, 61.8 are the two heavy hitters when it comes to Fibonacci. So, all right, guys. So I'm just in watch mode right now. We'll see what happens, and I'll be back when we get into a trade. All right, see you soon. Well, looks like we're still in just some kind of a waiting game. It broke this, reached up to the 5 deviation level, and it's just kind of lingering. A lot of volume building up in this area between the deviation line to, I don't know, roughly 48 or so. So in this 10 tick range, so just market hasn't made up its mind which way it wants to go yet. So volume isn't anywhere close to exceeding, and it's just kind of putting along at the moment. So no idea which way we want to go yet, but just waiting and waiting for the prints that I like to see, and we'll see what happens. All right, be back then. Okay, trigger level was just hit at 61 based off of this print right here. So got short at 59, some absorption and a quick jump down. So short 10 contracts, 51, 59, look to pull half off at 49. Stop sitting at 69 right now for a 10 tick stop. And at this moment, we'll see if this sequence is valid. See if it'll hold strong. So still, I mean, it's a big battle going on through here. So not really sure how this is going to play out, but it fits within my trading plan. So we'll just go with it from there. All right, short 10 contracts, 51, 59. Let's see if we can get half off at 49. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, decent push down, not where I quite needed to yet. I'm going to move my stop to 63. That is going to be a 4-tick stop at this point, and we're still trying to pull off half at 49. So this deviation level may kind of get a hang up here. We'll see. And I may just adjust and pull off around 7 ticks as well. So, all right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, went ahead and scratched this trade at 2 ticks at 57. I'm not liking how this action's playing out. So we'll be back and we'll see what actually oh, this is actually a good idea that I did that. Okay, well, it look like the Bulls may go ahead and run this on up some more. So, this looks like a good print, but it's not quite the cluster. And here, this is a little more valid. Let me look backwards, and still not the size that I like to see. All right, I'll be back. Okay, here's what I'm looking at. We're still based off of this print way back here. Let's see. 51, 61 to 71 is the 9 to 19 area. Right now it's just lingering in here, so I think I want to give this a shot short. And with a stop at 71, which is the threshold there. So short, 10 contracts, 51.67 right here. Look to pull half off at 57 for 10 ticks, and then stop is sitting at 71 right now up here. Because that cluster will become invalid. I've never seen it work out this long, so this is just a chance that it still fits within my trading plan, so we'll see what happens. 7, 8, 9, 71. So a 5-tick stop right now, and we'll see if we can get at least half off break even, and we'll go with it from there. All right, 10 contracts short, 51.67. All right, be back shortly. Okay, got half off there at 57 right here. I'm not going to move my stop yet. I'm going to leave it at 71. Just in case it does come back here. And if it does break that or hit that, then that last cluster becomes invalid. But a little bit of breathing room now, being able to get half off. And let me see here. 7. Yep, I'm going to leave it at 71. And with a 5-tick stop, that'll just be a flat scratch trade if it does get hit. And that is fine as well. So we'll see if the Bulls can push down some anyway. Let me see here. We're in overbought. Bulls, or see if the Bears can push down. Overbought, but the Bulls are still really strong here, and I'm not seeing any significant reason why this should be a turnaround just yet. But everything still fit within my trading plan, so we'll just go with it from there. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Either Crude went out drinking last night and hadn't decided to wake up yet, might have a hangover, or there's something going on behind the scenes that I have no idea. The volume is just not there this morning, and and because of that, there's really not much movement either. So just sitting watching. This is for a volatile asset. Yeah, it's not doing much of anything today. Okay, still short 5 contracts, 51.67. Stop still sitting at 71. I'm going to go ahead and move that to break even, because this is taking too long to be giving back everything. So stop now sitting at 67 for break even. And I got one to come off at 47 for 20 ticks, but who knows what's happening right here. This is, I'm going to go read some fundamental news and see if there's a reason why we're not getting any volume during the open. So, all right, I'll be back in a bit. So we have natural gas inventories in about 15 minutes or so. This normally does not affect oil though, but I think this is just kind of putting 2 and 2 together with everything going on with the refineries and the output coming from OPEC and the what's happening over in Saudi Arabia. This may actually work hand in hand today, so we'll see. I'm going to hang on to this trade and kind of watch it as it goes. So may actually get some movement about 10:30 in 15 minutes from now. So we'll see. But that's what I'm going to chalk this up to, just lack of volume is with natural gas inventory. So, all right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, stopped out there. So let's see what happens. Even if I want to trade anymore, this market is, we're moving at tortoise speed right now. Okay, just broke that one, so that last cluster finally became invalid. So I'm going to watch and look from the setups that I like, and we'll see if we'll get some kind of a sequence there. A lot of block orders came in from the bulls here. So we'll see if they can keep on pushing this one up. So next level area is 51.88, as that was yesterday's high. And we'll see if something lines up around there. All right, I'll be back. Well, I do suppose natural gas may have affected this. We got some 1,000 prints on this one here. And it is still building, so 71, depending on where point of control closes here, which looks like it will close right there at 70. So 71 will be the starting count. 81 is the trigger area. 91 is the threshold. 81. All right, so we'll probably look for a reversal sequence somewhere between 81 and 91. Let's see if I can see some type of absorption if we get up there. But I'm gonna go ahead and set a limit order at 88. Let me see here. Limit sell at 88 with a 88.99 with a 3-tick stop. That's just in case something happens and I'm not watching. Limit. And 3-tick stop there. Okay. All right. So, So this is the new cluster area right here. Big 1,000 prints. Count up using my 9 to 19 theory. So starting at 71. Count up to 81. And this will be the zone right in here between 81 and 91 for a reversal sequence. So, all right, we'll see if we can get up there. I'll be back. All right, so the bears are really starting to load up here. Just eyeing the time and sales. And they're really defending the 7 deviation line. It did touch into the I zone back here. But I may bring it on down for an entry around 81 or so, and see if these are my rules here. Getting in within 9 and 19. A lot of absorption happened way before that though, so as long as I can get in before the point of control, that is ideal. I just don't like to put anything more than 10 ticks of risk out there. So I'm going to eyeball this for a little bit and see, but I'm seeing the bears just really start stacking in. So, all right, guys, I'm going to watch and I'll be back. Okay, guys, stalled right in this area, and bulls seem to was not able to push it here. Hop short 10 contracts 51.71. Looks pull half off at 61. Stop is going to be sitting at 78 right now for a 7-tick stop. 78. Stop. All right, so everything's in there, and we'll see if this is. This is set up as a nice reversal sequence right here off of this bar. It didn't get quite to where I needed to just yet, so if it does reach up into there, then I will go ahead and probably pull the trigger again at that point. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, stop is coming to 73 at this point. That's going to be a 2-tick stop. So close, so close. Keep on pushing. Let's see what I need to get to. 61. Alright, I'm gonna watch. I'll be back. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half at 63 for 8 ticks. Hate to get so close and this to turn back around. Alright, stop is sitting at 73 for 2 ticks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to break even now. Let's see here. That's at 5. Alright, short 5 contracts, 51.71. Stop sitting at break even. Still trying to push down here. So if we can get down to the 61, that will be great. If we can stay below this 8 moving average, that will be great. And now then I'll start to look to peel. Next peel point is 51.51. Alright. Alright, I'm in watching mode now. Be back shortly. Okay, hopefully the bulls are tired. So we got this breakdown. Got one off at 51 for 20 ticks. And then I just go into regular scale out mode here. So 41 will be the next level to pull, or the next price point to pull off at. And we'll see if we can actually work this one here. So we got oh boy, this is coming down with some momentum. Let's see. Oh, what do we have? 6. Okay, it's not a cluster level, but there's a lot of total volume and the delta's pretty high in there. So alright, I'm hoping this is just a continuation print. A little difficult to gauge. Let me see, what do we have up under 53, 43, 33, 53. Okay, I don't see a level here, so I think we're okay on this short. Let me double check. 53. 43, what is that? 43 to 33. Okay, so we got this little channel here, which could act as support resistance, but going back here, just, well, that was inventories too. Alright, we'll see what happens here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're gonna hang into this trade short. I need to move my stop. 71. So I'm filled up here. Okay, this is my fill. Alright, I'm gonna leave my stop where it is at break even still, and we'll see what we can do from this point. Alright, be back shortly. Alright, got stopped out there, so pulled 20 ticks out of that really long wait. And I am done, so it is 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time now, and I don't want to see her. She's a mean one today, and I'm not going to play much anymore, so I'm going to wrap this day up. So tomorrow I am going to be working out at one of the community gardens in the morning, so I won't be trading. And I don't know what my P&L is for the week. Actually, I won't look at it even till the end of the month anyway. But it's been a successful week, so not crazy profits, but profits nonetheless. So, all right, guys, you have a good one, and I will see you next week, Monday, hopefully. And I may actually do some type of market recap tomorrow when I'm done in the garden. So we'll see. All right, have a good one. Bye.